Do you want to see something? Are you ready? Let's look, look, look. Look how many colors we have today. Woo-hoo. Look how many colors we have today. Woo-hoo. It's party time. Let's party. And this is going to be so cool because what happened was I wasn't able to upload and this and that, but look, it's worth it. I don't know which palette I'm going to choose. Is it going to be this one or this one? This one or this one? I don't know. Well, let's get to it because today's party time. Okay, let's get started. It's fun. It's going to be a fun video. So as I said yesterday, if you watched my video yesterday, I go to the drugstore to buy the oval brushes. I tried everybody, so I can only buy it online. But today, we're going to try out this palette. Palettes, I ended up buying these two palettes because I thought the colors were gorgeous. Look at that. You can use this one, you can use that one, this one, or that one. I don't know which one I'm going to choose, but let's try these colors. We're going to go for like a spring color, even matches mine. Let's go for some spring colors. I guess this is going to be amazing. I don't know if we're going to go with the upstairs or downstairs. Let's try it and see what happens, and let's have fun because today's like a party. So it's very pigmented, but let's try first. Let me get my brush. Experiment with this one. I want to do an experiment with this one. So I was after these brushes yesterday. It was after these. They had, the bundle were 3 brushes, but they sold it already. Try to apply, try. This is going to be an experiment. So we are going, I have blue eyes, like this lower level here, okay? So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to swatch it for you. You see, it's pretty. Look at that. It's very pigmented. So I will apply this on the brush. Let's see with this brush if it works. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see if it works. So I'm going to start applying it here. It's not bad, but it's too bulky. Let's go for the normal brushes. Okay. I'm going to put my mirror here, and I'm going to do it like this because I want to show you. Let's see how it works, if it works. Oh, look at that. Can you see what I see? Can you see what I see? Okay. I already love it. First time oh, look at that. Do you see? This is the very first time that I use this palette. This palette is brand new to me. I love it. Let's do something different. We are experimenting. I will brush this. Oh, but I already love it. Here, I washed it, and I'm going to apply with a wet brush so we can see how it works with the... Oh my gosh, I have the little mirror here. I don't need that mirror. I don't. So I'm going to apply on the side. So we're going to see how it works. Wet brush. Wow. Perfect. Okay, so we are going for a darker color. Let's say, okay, I'm going to use this one for the outer corner and the inner corner. Let's see what happens. You see? Isn't this pretty? It's a metal. Isn't it gorgeous? I think it's so cute. So yesterday is, oh wow. Oh, I like, oh wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's a, wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. You see? Do you see? It's perfect. Let me get a thinner one. Wow. Oh, it's very, very pretty. It's very pretty. Look at that. Do you see? Oh, it's very pretty. Wow, do you see that? I like it. I really like it. I'm liking it. Wow, this was a good buy. Let's go back again and apply some more. Do you see how pretty? I'm going to apply it with my eyes open because I can see even better about that. And then we can blend it, but I don't think I will blend it. I'm liking it. Oh, wow. I'm loving it. I'm not liking it. I am loving this. This was a great buy. Look at that. Ooh, okay, I can't. You see, it's going to be too much, and I don't want it to be too much. I'm going to do first one eye slowly, and then we do the other eye. Wow, it comes with this little brush here, in case you're wondering, this tiny one, but I think this is a good brush. It's a good one for the under eyes. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's very pretty. Now I think I'm going to go with this pink one over here. Do you see the pink one? Let's try this pink one. We're experimenting together today, this palette. So the pink one I will... Monty, don't be excited. Don't be excited. I'm going to put this on the outer corner and also bring it down here. Like it's down, down, down. Don't worry, I'm going to wipe everything out. Okay, this is perfect. This little brush is perfect for you to like draw. Make a drawing. Oh, look at that. I love it. I really, really love it. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? It's very pigmented and it's very pretty. I love it. Let's try like this light purple. We are going to explore. This one. Let's put this one here. Today we are exploring this new palette. So it goes under here just to... And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to some with my finger of that first one, and we are going to just tap it. This is a plain white one, just to see how it goes. Under my brow bone, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw the pencil, my inner corner, outer corner, apply my, I'm going to apply 2 mascaras, and I'm going to come back with my eyes done, and let's see what's what. Okay, this was the final look, this side, and I think it worked beautifully. Look at the eyes. Look at the eyes. I loved it. I really love this palette. Now I want to show you the last thing. Do you see the blush here? I tried to incorporate, I didn't want the blush to be too harsh. I didn't want it to be peachy. I wanted it to match my eyes because I use the purples and the pinks and a little fan. I have the big fan and the little fan. I have the daughter. Yeah. So I use this little one, and guess what? I got 2 palettes, right? But I used a color here. I'm not kidding. I used this color here, and we are going... I didn't put blush on this side. I'm going to show you what I did with this side. There you go. Over here, and look at that. It really works like that. It looks so pretty. You get the blush on your little fan. You incorporate it. How cool is that? That's a great tip, isn't it? And then, so it wouldn't look so pink or whatever. Oh, you see, it has a glow. You see the glow? Just to, finished look. So it was amazing. I really enjoyed. I think this look is a cool look. It's a nice look, and the palettes are really, really good. Night Shadow and the black one. We used today this one, and I used I used this one, I used this one, and this one, and that one, and this one for the look today, and I think it looked gorgeous. I think it looks very pretty. You also have this other one that I think would be very pretty, like a smoky eye or something like that. I think so. Oops. I think it would look very, very pretty. I don't know which colors. So many colors to choose. I don't know. Eyeshadows. Look at that. It really drives you crazy. I don't know, this one or this one or this one or this one. I really don't know now which ones to choose, but the colors are gorgeous and I really love the look. So today we did this one, and I might do another one with this one. It's very pigmented, hardly any fallouts that, you know, a little fan wouldn't brush it off. So that was a plus. The colors are gorgeous, very cheap. It was on sale, but it wasn't expensive. And I think the look looks pretty cool. So you know what? I'm ready to party. Let's have a makeup party. How about that? Let's have a makeup party. I already have tons of palettes, so let's have a makeup party. Let's party. Let's party. Let's have a party. Makeup party. How about that? I want to have a makeup party. Let's party.